I said.
What the doctor said?
Here.
Prior,
Stop.
stop
Eating.
eating the
I stop.
because
There is
tongue is
the tongue.
tongue.
Bleh.
Where is your nose and mouth, ears. That's very good. Your hair, very good. Your eyes, very good, no? And your tongue, where? Tongue, very good.
Bleh.
Oh, what the doctor said?
Bleh.
What the doctor said?
Bleh. Bleh.
What the doctor said?
Bleh. Here.
Prior,
Stop.
stop
Eating.
eating
I stop.
ice pop
Because
because
yayay
have a fever.
Doctor said.
You have the fever, so what the doctor said? You drink
That means
vitamins
people
and
first I stop.
no ice pop.
No.
Junk foods, no eating junk foods.
Stop
Eating
the
junk foods
because
because
yayay is
yaya is
tongue.
tank.
No.
No,
Yeah.
yaya
Teeth.
your teeth.
Mm.
Ngi. Di kay murag kahiring ni nga gibidyo.
Bracket.
Malakwit, very good. And where do you live? You live in? Where do you live? You live in Purok? Purok? No, Purok 15. Purok 15? Sagain? Asuncion? Davao? Del Norte.